Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today this is a video of my 52-inch Harbor Breeze Moonglow ceiling fan. And I had this fan for a while. I do not remember when I got this fan, but when I got this fan, it looked brand new. Like, there's not a wick of dust, not a wick of scratches, dents, nothing. It looked brand new when I got it. Now, when I got this fan at the Habitat Restore, I think they replaced it with some kind of Hunter, which I'll show you the box. See, they replaced it with a four-bladed Hunter. That's what they replaced it with. And I'm like, well, it looks brand new, so I'm going to get this fan. And I'll start you off on... It does have a four-way pull chain. And if you guys own this fan, you already know. First pull, up light. Second pull, the bottom light kit. Third pull, all the lights. And fourth, off. And I'll start you off on low. Oh shit, it's on, is it on reverse? Ow. Alright, here's low. Sorry. Here's low. And I did put it on the oak side just because of this video. This fan, well, like I said, if you guys already own this fan, it's reversible to oak to cherry, or gloss oak to gloss cherry. Whichever you guys want to call it. It's a very nice fan. I love this fan. When I first brought this fan home, I showed it to my grandparents. My grandparents absolutely loved this fan, so when I retire as a fan collector, I'm going to keep this fan. Alright, and then here's medium. Show you the lights again. And this fan is a good air mover. It does wobble a bit, but other than that, real nice fan to have. I know I've seen these fans on YouTube before, and this is before I even owned the Moonglow. At first I saw, I'm like, dang, I like that fan. And then days, years, whatever later, hey, I got one, so. And it's a quiet fan, too. I'm not going to complain. It's a quiet fan. It does its job. That's all it matters. Here's high. There's all the lights. Like I said, it does wobble. Doesn't wobble pretty bad, but it wobbles. See, I have everything off. You don't hear nothing. It's quiet. Oh, finally, boring commercials are off. And we'll do a spin down. Alright, here's the spin down time. If I can reach the chains. Alright, here's spin down. And please subscribe to the not the Eric Freeze, but Eric Freeze YouTube channel. Subscribe to him. He's a good friend of mine. And Fire Safety Tech and the Door Closer Doctor. Subscribe to those people. Those people are really good friends of mine. If you have any questions about fans, door closers, go to them. They will help you. Let them know that I sent you and all that good stuff.
If you can Pinterest on it, you can hear us on it. Listen live and free on any device with the iHeartRadio app. Y102, the 80s to now.
These Harbor Breezes have good bearings in my opinion, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. This is the video of the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Moonglow ceiling fan, and I will see you in the next video.